Something big is happening with Shiba Inu today, and honestly, it's getting very interesting. Insiders just leaked some massive news. There's a real chance Shiba Inu could be removing a few zeros from its price very soon. And here's the crazy part. The Shiba Inu team actually confirmed some of this news, and it's happening in just 3 days. What exactly is going on, and why are so many analysts saying this isn't just a rumor, but a real possibility? Let's break it all down. First, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. Always do your own research and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Now let's get into it. Today has been absolutely wild for the Shiba Inu community. The energy is electric. After experiencing a dip over the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu is fighting its way back up. It's like it shook off the dust and said, "Not today." The price isn't just recovering. It's aggressively clawing back losses, and then some. But the real reason for the hype isn't just the price action. It's because of a massive leak that dropped earlier today. Apparently, a highly respected analyst has revealed what they believe Shiba Inu's price could reach in the near future. And let me tell you, these numbers aren't just exciting, they're mind-blowing. No one expected this to happen so soon, and now investors everywhere are buzzing, wondering if this is the moment everything changes. But let's slow down for a second and look carefully at the current price action. What exactly is happening on Shiba Inu's charts right now? Why is there so much excitement? One top analyst broke it down perfectly. According to their research, Shiba Inu isn't just moving, it's breaking out, and not just once but twice. A double breakout, the kind of setup that serious traders dream about. Right now, Shiba Inu is retesting key levels, a classic move before a big surge. The target zone they're talking about, over a 150% potential climb from where we are now. That's not just a nice bump. That's a full-on moon mission straight from the Shiba Inu kennel. Smart money is already moving in. If you missed out before, this might be the time to seriously reconsider because, according to the data, Shiba Inu isn't whispering anymore. It's barking loud and clear. The double breakout has been confirmed. The retest is happening. And Shiba Inu is setting up for something major. But there's even more. Another analyst just dropped a bombshell about what's happening behind the scenes. Right now, there's an absolutely jaw-dropping amount of Shiba Inu tokens being held. We're talking about more than 537 trillion tokens. Yes, you heard that right, trillion, with a T. And these tokens aren't sitting in just a few whale wallets. They're spread across more than 140,000 different holders. That's not just a statistic. That's a crowd. A massive community. And here's where it gets really interesting. Shiba Inu is now creeping right up to a key price zone, a critical resistance level where tons of people bought in before, hoping to break even. Analysts call this the danger zone. But in this case, it could actually be the launch zone. If Shiba Inu can break through this resistance level, it could ignite a massive rally. We're already seeing some serious positive signs. The token recently broke above its 50-day moving average, a strong bullish signal, and it also powered through a psychological barrier that's been extremely tough to crack in the past. Volume is increasing, and that's a major green flag. Rising volume means that the price movement is being backed by real money. It's not just bots trading or random fluctuations. There's actual demand building up. And the momentum indicator, the RSI, is sitting comfortably above the key bullish threshold. It's showing strength but not overheating yet. That means there's still room for the price to move upward before things get too frothy. If Shiba Inu manages to break out with strong volume just a little higher than where we are now, we could see a rapid jump to the next resistance zone, a move that could change a lot of lives. Even if there's a small pullback, there's strong support not far below. It's a tested cushion that has already held firm in the past. So yes, there are challenges ahead, but the setup is more bullish now than it's been in months. The chart looks strong, volume is building, and the community is fired up. Over 500 trillion tokens are sitting at critical levels, ready to make a move. And we might not have to wait years to see something major happen. Because according to leaked predictions, Shiba Inu could soon erase a zero from its price, and it might happen faster than anyone expected. Crypto experts are now predicting that Shiba Inu could climb up to the $0.19 level by the end of the decade. That's more than 13 times the current price. Just think about that for a second. If you invested just $2,000, that could turn into almost $30,000. That's not just an opportunity. That's life-changing potential. In fact, a major survey of 26 top crypto analysts, conducted by Finder, supports this prediction. They believe Shiba Inu could hit that $0.197 level by 2030, and some are even saying it could happen sooner, by 2027. But here's the crazy part. Some analysts believe it could happen within days, not years. They say that under the right conditions, like a strong breakout combined with whale buying pressure and positive market sentiment, Shiba Inu could rally by over 1,000% in just 3 days. It sounds unbelievable, but remember, this is crypto. Stranger things have happened. Shiba Inu has a history of shocking the world, and there's no reason to believe it can't do it again. Even AI models like ChatGPT are predicting strong moves for Shiba Inu after the next Bitcoin halving event in 2028. And historically, Bitcoin halving events have triggered major bull runs across the entire crypto market. If that trend continues, Shiba Inu could ride the wave higher alongside Bitcoin. On top of that, something huge just happened on-chain. According to data from Intel the Block, nearly 669 billion Shiba Inu tokens were moved out of some of the largest wallets recently. Now, at first glance, that kind of outflow might seem scary. Is this a dump? Are the whales leaving? But when you dig deeper, it's actually incredibly bullish. Despite that massive outflow, over 550 billion tokens flowed into new addresses. That means the net outflow was only about 100 billion, a relatively small amount compared to the total movement. This suggests that whales aren't dumping. They're redistributing their holdings, possibly positioning for a major move. Whales don't move hundreds of billions of tokens randomly. They usually act when they know, or strongly suspect, that something big is coming. So is this connected to the insider leak? Are whales positioning themselves before a major breakout? We don't have all the answers yet, but what's clear is that everything, price action, volume, whale movement, insider rumors, is aligning in a very bullish way. Shiba Inu isn't finished, not even close. In fact, it might just be getting started on a whole new chapter. The Shiba Inu development team isn't slowing down either. They continue to push forward with new projects, new utility, and real-world partnerships. Lucy, one of Shiba Inu's lead marketers, summed it up perfectly on Twitter when she said, "We built, are building, and will continue to build. We will establish and asset values will eventually grow. People don't trust, but we stick around." That's the real heart of the Shiba Inu project. They're not just riding hype, they're building something that can last. The future for Shiba Inu is looking brighter than ever, and if you're part of this community right now, you're standing right at the beginning of what could be one of the biggest comeback stories in crypto history. But what do you think? Is Shiba Inu about to shock the world again? Drop your thoughts in the comments section down below. I want to hear from you. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another major Shiba Inu update. And trust me, you'll want to stay tuned, because if this breakout happens, it's going to get wild. Also, share this video with your friends, family, and anyone else who needs to know what's brewing in the world of Shiba Inu. Let's get this news out there and grow this amazing community even bigger. Thank you so much for watching. Click on one of the videos now showing on your screen to learn even more about the exciting future of Shiba Inu. I'll see you there.